So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing a lot of ideas related to boys Halloween costumes, little boys Halloween costume kids. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful and useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Halloween, little boys costumes. You can do ghost like costume, makeup plus, and even if you want some kind of different, so you can also choose it. And guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can go download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the idea that you like the most. And we share a lot of stuff related to Halloween. For example, Halloween costume for men's and women's, Halloween couple costumes, and even we share Halloween cake decoration, food decoration, party decoration, and a lot of stuff. So you can visit our channel for Halloween kind of stuff, and even you can subscribe our channel for more Halloween stuff. So guys, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.